To set up a new report in PureCloud Engage, I simply click Reports in the top menu, and I can see a list of the existing reports that I've created in the system already. I'm going to click New and see a list of the different categories of reports that are available to me, and within each of these categories there are typically several report examples that exist. Now, depending on which report we want to see, I can click on that View Example and make sure that that's the type of report that I want, with sample data included. If that is in fact the report that I want, I'm going to go ahead and select this report, and I'll give it a name, and I'll just say Q report. We'll go through the parameters, maybe add in a couple of the Qs that we're focusing in. What format do we want the report? I'm going to select PDF, but we could obviously select HTML or Excel spreadsheets. And then I'm going to generate that report now, but I also want to schedule that report. And that report should capture last week's data, but we want to run it weekly and focus in on Monday morning is when it's actually going to run at maybe 4 a.m. so that when I come into the office first thing on Monday morning, I have that report ready to go for last week's data. I go ahead and save that report, and while that report is running, I might go and view some of the other report data by clicking the View History next to that report. And I can see historically when this particular report has been running, and maybe I want to revert back and look at that PDF for that first week in October, for instance. But at this point, I can now see that Q report, if I go back to my list of reports, I can see that Q report is available for me to download. And I'll simply run that download Q report, and I see my data in PDF format ready to go.